Asa man si Noah?
Makinig ko na lang. Alam mo natin kung tayo dito, namitas para kami sa namitas. Kaya yung gusto namin, para magliligtas din kayo, tanghalian nyo, is dito na kayo sa kampus, sa loob ng campus ng tanghalian.
Alo?
Sino ang baon? Diba, sali sa sunod sa dalang ng baon.
Okay, go. Isa ra. Oh my God, I'm so proud of you. Ubos gamay.
Hoy, wala mo ilabot na hoy. Wala ilabot hoy. Karaan na
Richard.
Medic.
Puska pa. More energy.
Pasgon ba?
More energy.
Kanang pinaka. The medics always first. Hey! Congrats guys, congrats.
Oh, congrats.
Wala nang tubig. Wala nang tubig.
May mokol sa kuan.
Si Juan, Captain.
Oh, captain. Richard. Isa, medic always first.
Medics!
Perform. Unsa yung pagsayos yung mga pangan. Nickname. Dahil dungan. First letter.
First letter T.
Mana ko.
Dapat sa body.
Mana ko.
Saan pag-M? Pag-M.
Ano lang, medics. Oh, mana? Oh, next.
Good afternoon to each and everyone. I am Val Brena Gulayan, 17 years old. You can call me Val also. And I'm taking Bachelor in Public Administration.
Hi everyone, I am Jessamine all from Bachelor of Public Administration 1A. You can call me Sami.
Well, good morning, everyone. I am Justine Claire Gubet. You can call me Claire, and I'm from Bachelor of Science in Psychology, and I am 18 years old.
Mayo mo to sa tanan. Ako di ay si Lester C. Magno. I am from the program where sleep is a rare phenomenon from this Mathematics 1A. Unya, na-IS org. Ako po i-promote ang Sigma organization. Palit na po mo karong
Sigma.
Society for Intellectual Growth in Mathematical Analysis and Application. So palit na mo kay Nani Baligya. Pero pinalaro mo so. Hindi na mo ma-excite. Taray discount mo niya. Palit mo niya ini ka ng Monday. I am 14 years old. 3 years ago. You can call me, I have no particular specific nickname. You can call me Lester.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Cruzada Kaka, 20. I am from Bachelor of Arts and Philosophy.
Krisa.
You can call me Krisa.
Krisa.
Good morning, everyone. I am Patricia A28 from Bachelor of Science in Mathematics. You can call me Kim or Kimay.
Team.
Kim.
Kimay. So natay duha ka Kim. Pero kuan. Dungan.
L. Una to eh.
Oh, humana tanan.
My name is Ariana Nicole. College. You can call me Yan, Ariana, or Ariana. No, dili po. Ayun ang Nicole.
Hi.
Ariana. I'm 17 years old. Yeah, I'm from Bachelor of Science.
Wow, sana all. Wow.
Ay,
Ay, Ariana.
representative.
I am Richard Joel Orono, 18 tapos. You guys can call me Chart. Then I took up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. 18 friends. Kumain na marami.
James.
18 na ka?
Kaminos. Kaminos.
BSCE 1A, you can call me James.
James.
Ay, kayo magpalibre ta ana sa kuan.
My name is John David Fortunayu and I am from Bachelor of Science and Mechanical Engineering. I am 19 years old and you can call me David or David.
Okay, David.
19 years old. SME, and you can call me Nard.
Minard.
Good morning everyone, my name is Mark Andrew Enriquez Cursor. I'm from Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering. I'm 18 years of age, and you can call me Makoy or Mak.
Boy.
Good morning, everyone. My name is General D. Lubido from Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, and I'm 19 years old, and you can just call me Jen.
Jennifer?
Jen, yeah. G nga go.
Ah.
My name is Joseph Lexi
Si Lexi.
from Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. I'm 18 years old and you can call me Lexi.
You can call me Lexi kuno. Lex. Idol.
Good morning, everyone. I am Kevin Palma, 18 years old, BSCPA 1A. You can call me Curb.
Hey. Curb.
Good morning everyone, my name is Billy Keeper. I am from BSCPE 1B. I am 18 years old. You can call me Billy.
Billy.
Hello everyone, I am Kalila Janelle Reluna from BSEE 1A, and you can call me Lila.
Maglibog kung si tawag ni Jalila.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rizan Camilos Jimar from BSEE 1A, and you can call me Sad.
Sam. San.
Good morning everyone. I'm Hinch Michael Lubay Mamalin from Bachelor of Science in Architecture. A1. You can call me Hinch. H-I-M-E-C-H.
So hinge yun ka Enchong D. You can call me Enchong D kuno.
Good morning everyone, I'm Angel Mendez, taking up Bachelor of Science in Architecture, 17 years old.
Si San.
You can call me Baby. Ay, Angel.
Bibi? Angel.
Baby Angel, go!
Good morning, everyone. I'm Maria Zubatan, 18 years old, taking up a Bachelor of Science in Fine Arts major in Industrial Design. You can call me Z.
Okay, Z.
I am Nico Ronada, 18 years old. You can call me Nick.
Nick. Anong galuya man eh. Oh, tayaw na mo. Oh, start.
Okay.
Oh, wait, isa, basta sa pro